Hello and welcome again to another video. And as you all know me, I do not waste more time on discussing bullshit stuff and giving a fancy shit intro. I straight away jump to the topic. Now, why you're still losing? Because you know a lot already. And when we have a checklist of what exactly you know, it's a list you can actually, if you start writing today, it will make you can fill number of pages about what exactly you know. Let me just give you a single example of just if I tell you to name these candlestick patterns, the name of the candles. You have doji, then you have gravestone doji, dragonfly, and then hammer, inverted hammer, morning star, shooting star, engulfing, mother child candle, harami candle, harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, RSI, moving averages, pivot points, and then you name it, you know everything. You have a lot on your head. Bullish flag, bearish flag. And the reason you're not making money is that you have overloaded your brain with a lot of stuff which was not required. And guess what? In an uptrend, I don't care it's 1 minute or 1 month candle, if an inverted hammer is made, it is still not a guarantee that the price will come down. It is not. And you know that as well. Whoever taught you this, in the end, they told you, well, you always, it does not mean, that there's a hammer or an inverted hammer or a morning star or an engulfing camel. You always go to a lower time frame or a higher time frame, look for confirmations and look for RSI. You open up the divergence, you see the pivot points. They always tell you this shit. Go and get a confirmation. Go and get a why? Then why are you teaching all of this? If engulfing candle doesn't work most of the time, or let's say even 50%, then you should not teach what is engulfing candle. You should teach what mostly happens in the market. And as you all know, I already made a video on my channel at how and which time frame successful traders they are using. They're not using a monthly candle or a weekly or even a daily or even an hour. They may look on that, but they only jump in a 3 minute to 5 minute candle and they are out within 15 minutes of that trade. No matter how much they made, $700. All right. What did I make today? I made only $200. They're happy with that. So you have overloaded your brain with a lot of stuff. And once you see the candle charts, that subconscious of yours gives you a signal. Hey, you moron. Why are you entering on this trade for a sell? And then you answer yourself by not saying or uttering any word from your mouth. Just give an answer to the brain. Yeah, because it's a 4-hour time frame and I saw it's a inverted hammer and it's a sell and I need to jump into this. Hey, but did you check the daily candle or the weekly where it is? And then you suddenly in 3 seconds go to the daily and weekly, and the weekly is showing that last 2 weeks they made an engulfing candle of a bullish trend, and you're taking a sell. You don't take a sell. What you have been informed is high time frames, they always respect the market. It was really a sell because you were trading in a 4-hour time frame, but you still take a buy because everyone told you weekly, monthly, these candles are strong, these levels are very strong. You took a buy, your account was $500, That weekly move happens in 5 days. You stick to that move and try to apply it in 4 hours, you messed it up. That knowledge of knowing just the engulfing candle pattern messed up your trading. And then you're opening RSI, you're opening moving averages, 50 moving averages, it works. And then under the 50 moving averages, which one should I use? Simple moving average or exponential moving average? You brain, don't burden it. And yes, the traders which are telling you this forex trading is very easy, keep it very simple, it's just a kiss format, keep it simply stupid, they are really right. When you look for confirmations, again, there are a lot of things for confirmations. And why the successful traders, they don't use any indicator? Because they're not trading any higher time frame. If I really want to make $1,500 in a day, I won't take a buy on a weekly candle. I'll simply go to a 3 minute. I look the major resistance. I take that spark of a jerk of a, what you can say, uh, the ignite of the bullish or the bearish trend, and I'm out of the market. They do not tell you to go for higher time frames. So the main reason why you're not making money, even though you know a lot, it's a lot which you know, is just because the subconscious level of yours, it is a hurdle in your trading journey. You have learned engulfing, you have learned different patterns, you have learned, oh, this is a spider, this is a harmonic, even though it's 4 hours, for how long I need to open a trade. There are so why, how, when, where. These questions are gushing. That adrenaline rush in your brain is confusing you, whereas it was a simple trade. You don't have to look anything else. So the first thing, that why are you losing money, is that you know a lot. You need to unlearn a lot of things. Just clear your charts. Focus on one time frame. And one means just one. No daily bias. Start with this. Don't switch candles. If it's a 3 minute, look for a 3 minute. High support and resistance, do not change the candle time frame. I'm not saying it's not required, just to begin with. Do not change time frames. Unlearn a lot of things. I know engulfing pattern is right embedded in your head. It's very hard to unlearn. First it was the thing how to learn trading. Now it is a very hard step how to unlearn. You have watched thousands of YouTube videos already. The reason why I do not make videos of strategies is because it's too much already on your head. I do not want to confuse you. The only thing I can help you out here is to help you in your psychology. Nobody told me this, but I learned few strategies, and then I listened to lots of traders, how actually they make money. Low time frames, no daily bias, just take a trade, 15 minutes, and I'm out of the market. And what's next? Now I will wait for another day. I'll come back again in the London session, or the, you can say, evening session, or the New York session, and I'll trade again. But you're still on your computer watching. Okay, if it's I'll see if it's engulfing or a hammer or a doji. What should I need to do? Okay, let's check the volume. Oh my god, volume is coming. Where what was the last candle? Oh, it was a hammer at the bottom at a spot. Go for a buy. Volume is there. But volume, what does the volume do? They take out the liquidity. The first thing the volume will come, they will trade against you, and then eventually go, and you make a position, and you take the leverage so high and use a big lot that from here I can make $200 today. They eventually stop you out, and then they go in the direction, the smart money, where they need to go. And yes, there is a concept of smart money, why they do not want you to win. So therefore, I am ending up this video on this point, that why and when and where these things, these questions which are struggling in your mind, just try to unlearn them. Work with naked charts. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.